Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought of making a quick video about the daily analysis on the Nifty. So this is going to be a very quick one. It's not going to take too much time. I'm going to assess Nifty for the time being, and if you also want analysis on Bank Nifty, do leave a comment. I will accommodate that as well if I can. So looking at the Nifty on a daily chart, uh, now if you look at the waves here, it's been in an uptrend and there has been a good correction here, and then it broke the highs again and is coming down. It tried to go up but then failed. Okay, so it is at a crucial juncture, I would say. From looking at it, just a second, yes. Right. See, this is the zone, I would say, as a previous higher high, right? So, and it clearly broke those levels and it is around the same levels at the moment. There could be some sort of a pullback from this level again, but I would definitely won't go long immediately because I think there is some good bearish pressure in the market. So even though if it goes up, there are chances that sellers going to come in and then bring the prices down. So if the bears successfully manage to take the prices below here, the previous day's low, then the chances are it might find some support around this level here where a gap was created, and then it can go up and then fall again to this level. Okay, this is where it found support last time, so the chances are it can come down to this level. So overall my view is negative, basically, and today I'm expecting some sort of pullback due to this huge sell-off on Friday. So it can go up a bit and then come down to test these levels. Okay, so my plan of action would be to overall look for sell opportunities. That doesn't mean that because we are intraday traders we just trade according to that particular day's trend. So as an intraday trader, you could look for, if the trend is up today, look for buying opportunities. As a positional trader, I would say have a overall a bearish view rather than a bullish view for the time being, unless the market tells something else, which it could, by the way. Okay, so there are possibilities. So that's why I told you this is at a crucial juncture. So if this level is broken, I think the Nifty will be really bearish and it can test these levels here. Okay, so that's the overall view, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends as well, and subscribe if you haven't done yet. See you later, guys. Bye.